So this is a 5 years old Redmi Note 10 and I have installed HyperOS 2 based on Android 15 on it. Let me first show you the Easter egg of the ROM and then I will explain the features and bugs as well. So this ROM had a fingerprint bug where fingerprint sensor wasn't working and I have made a patch for it and I will post it in the description. Now to fix most of the lag, you can enable dark theme and set the refresh rate to 60Hz as this screen only supports 60Hz, and then you can disable blur and also animations. You can also enable performance mode in the battery section of the settings app. The RAM management and performance of the ROM is good, but you have to give it almost a day to settle. You can also enable memory extension and reboot. It will extend the memory using the UFS storage. This ROM will take some time to settle, but once it's settled, it will perform as normal. Now as you can see, the ROM is very stable after setting a few things in the settings app. This ROM is based on Chinese version of HyperOS, but themes and other things like Play Store is also working. This ROM has many customization features as well as some AI features and some other features like sidebar. And for some AI features like circle to search, you can use my app, which I will link in the description. To enable Google Play Store, you have to go to settings, apps, and then enable show system apps and then search for Play Store and enable it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.